I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning.
What's up, y'all? It's Ciairah Monet and I'm back again with another video. We are back again with a Barbie girl bead. So today I'm going to be doing a cut crease look. The colors that I'm focusing on are red and pink and, you know, Valentine's Day, whatevs, blah blah blah. So I'm starting off with her eyebrows, and I'm just taking this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and I'm filling in her brows, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty concealer to shape them out. Alright, it's time to get into eyeshadow. I'm taking my Juvia's Place palette. I believe this is the Zulu palette, but I can't really remember what the exact name is. And I'm taking this pink color and I'm just packing that on the front part of my crease only. I don't drag it all the way to the back because I'm going to be taking a red out of the Crayon Case palette and putting that in the back. So after we've packed on the colors, I'm just going to blend it out nicely. And then I'm going to go and cut my crease with that same concealer that I used. And on that lid, I'm taking the white from the Crayon Case palette and also the magenta and the red. Alright, so I'm doing the eyeliner right now, and a trick that I like to do for like colored eyeliner when I don't have like a colored eyeliner, you know, handy, I take some concealer and I just create my line that I want, and then I'm going to take a pink eyeshadow out of the Crayon Case palette and I'm going to pack that on that concealer line that I just put. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX white liquid liner and I'm going to place a thin line over top of that. Okay, so now I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm just wiping away that excess eyeshadow fallout, and I'm going to continue with her normal face. I'm using the same products that I used in my last video, so you guys can check that out, or you can just keep watching and I will show the products as I'm going. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so this part was the fun part. I'm just putting glitter on her, but I'm starting off with this glitter primer. I don't know where it's from. I think I got it from like Five Below or something, out of like a Halloween kit. So I'm putting that on there, and then I'm going to use glitter from Ciairah Monet Cosmetics, and that is the red glitter, and then the chunky glitter that I use is from Amazon.